figure out which is better for you. Should you start a blog or a YouTube channel? Welcome and hello, my name is Erica Crochet and I'm here to help you grow your business by helping you understand your audience. So today we're going to talk all about, should you start a blog or a YouTube channel? Which one is better and more profitable for you? So both blogs and YouTube channels have both proven themselves to be extremely profitable for creators. Both have a great opportunity of growing such a large following, but also they both have pros and cons. So today we're going to be trying to figure out which one best works for you and your brand, and which one should you start today or should you continue with going. So let's first talk about blogs. Today's blogs are no longer like the old blogs that we're used to, and people say all the time, blogs don't work, blogs don't da-da-da-da-da. But no, blogs are still all the hype. People still are reading blogs. They just might not even realize that they're reading blogs. When you get on Pinterest, when you Google certain questions, what comes up? A blog. Duh. So blogs are still all the work. As long as you know how to do the SEO and things for them, then your blog could definitely be 100% success. Today's blogs are full of pictures and creativity and nice colors and things like that. And with so many websites giving you so much more customization features that'll allow you to create bomb websites for your blog, blogs are definitely cream of the crop, top. Definitely not like 2005, like definitely 2020 blogs are it. And blogs very much so attract those people who still like to read. I'm not one of them people, but people do still love to read, and blogs are for those people. But also there are people like me. I tend to find myself reading blogs, especially like recipes and things like that. So there's room for everyone in blogs. Blogs are 100% mostly written. It's about 85%, I want to say, written content, and then the other is like different pictures or videos or things that draw people's attention, that appeal to those people like me who aren't all about reading and things like that, but they love a good picture, and then the picture makes them want to read more, but the picture is like 1,000 words. You know what I mean. When it comes to starting a blog, you have to ask yourself, do you have that writing skill? Do you mind writing? So you take yourself back to when you were in school, or if you are in school, then when the teacher asks you to write an essay or a creative story, were you like, oh my gosh, did you pay somebody else to do it? I don't know, that's your business. But maybe if you're one of those people that dread writing, then a blog may not be good for you. Yes, it could be profitable, but I don't think that that's the type that you want to do, because that puts a lot of strain on you as a person. Another thing that I like about blogs, that blogs give you more room to talk about different topics. We all know that the word around town on YouTube is niche down, niche down, niche down. And yes, you niche down in a blog, but your blog also allows you to separate different niches or different sections in your niche a little bit better than YouTube can offer you. So blog posts allow you to get as elaborate as you want, and they're easier to skim through. Like, people can skim through, read, and jump around to different sections and things that they want, which YouTube videos just can't offer that. Also, vlogging is a lot cheaper to get into than YouTube. You don't have to have the fancy cameras. You don't have to have all this and that. You just get you a nice website. You have you a computer program that you can type on, and boom, you can start posting blog posts. Do you have a vlog? Comment down below and let us know the name of your blog so that we can check you out. And also, make sure you hit that like button for me and the algorithm. All right, so let's move on to YouTube. Maybe you should just go the YouTube route. Blogging and video content is king right now. People are eating up video content more than ever before, especially with the whole coronavirus pandemic. Videos are like, they're tearing them up. People love to see them. But in order to be a good YouTuber and to have great video content, you have to ask yourself, are you personable enough to be on camera? And do you mind being on camera? Because some people have that personality and that spunk that when they're on camera, it just eats them up. The camera loves them. If filming one 5-minute YouTube video drains the life out of you and it takes you all day, then maybe YouTube is not the place for you. Everyone cannot be in front of the camera. Everyone does not appreciate being in front of the camera, and that is understandable. And that's where you might be better creating a vlog. Another thing is, when it comes to YouTube, you have to ask yourself, are you willing to wait? Because typically it's harder to grow on YouTube than it is to grow your blog audience. Well, as it typically takes longer for you to get monetized on YouTube from ad revenues than what you would if you had a blog. And what I personally love the most about YouTube is that YouTube allows you to create that relationship with your audience that sometimes a blog just can't bring to you. Because yes, there's comment sections on blogs and things, but people are less likely to use them. However, on YouTube, it's just like automatic. People typically automatically think like, oh my gosh, I have to comment. Oh my gosh, I have to like. And that allows you to build a relationship with your audience. And why I think that happens is, one, because they can see you, and two, because they're able to experience certain things with you. So especially if you're a vlogger or you have clips of your life throughout your videos, like if as in B-roll or anything, they feel like they're actually in touch, in tune with you, and they can see that you are practicing what you are preaching. So what audience are you attacking on YouTube or on your blog, or you're looking to attack? So comment down below your niche for your YouTube or your blog. Now, you still can't decide, should you do a blog or should you do a YouTube channel? Now more than ever, you can honestly do both. And let me tell you how. So strategy A, you could film small summaries of your blog posts, so like no longer than 5 minutes, and you could post those little video clips on YouTube. And then throughout that YouTube video, what you do is you encourage people to go to the description box and click on the link to your blog post where they can get full detail of everything that they need to know. Now, this is helpful for my people who love writing and who don't really care to be on camera, who are kind of camera shy or whatever, but they are willing to come on and just promote a little bit of their blog post. It's a great marketing tool that you can use to promote your blog post, to promote your website, and get people over there from a YouTube channel, which you could potentially blow up on YouTube from just the little snippet tips that you're giving. So for this, when you think of making these YouTube videos for your blog post, think of them as short, informative commercials for your blog. And you could potentially end up blowing up on YouTube from giving these just small tidbits of information and then having a bomb blog to back it up, like gold. Strategy B is for more of my camera people who don't mind being on camera and would rather film a video, and they ain't really into the whole writing thing, but they'll give it a shot. They'll write a paragraph or two. Then what you do is you film your videos out, you give all your information, you spill all the tea in a video, right? But then you write a little snippet and you do a summary of your video and you post it on your blog. Let me give you an example. You're a chef, right? Okay, great. Your video is gonna be the top 10 things you need to do to become a chef. But in your blog post, you might only post the top 5. But then you embed that video to your blog post. So now people are watching your YouTube video, but also they can read those first 5 tips to help them become a chef. And if they're interested in what you got to say, they'll check out that video. So ultimately, you want to spend more time on wherever your skill set is the strongest. So are you a better writer, or are you better talking to the camera? Whichever one that is, that's where you want to put your focus at to start out. So if you're a better writer, you want to start out your blog first, focus really hard on your blog. And then if you still are thinking about YouTube, or you still want to try out YouTube, after you get your blog under control and you get that running smoothly, then you start filming some videos and things like that that will also help promote your blog. So by working on your strongest skill set, it helps you get into the rhythm of creating great content. And when you feel like you're ready to branch out, you can start creating other content that can help promote the content that you've already created. Now, if you're interested in starting a YouTube channel, or you're a small YouTuber, then please check out this video on the top tip I think that you need to know for starting your YouTube channel in 2020. And if you've already seen that one, or you don't think that that one's for you, then YouTube recommends that you check this video out next. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Erica Richey, and I can't wait to see you grow.